Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how you could be sharing in a Google Meet full screen to your participants, yet you are still able to keep an eye on the chat or see the people in the video call. That's a common complaint when we're sharing our screen, that we can't actually watch the chat or feel like we're getting any sort of feedback as we're moving along. So instead of relying on a moderator, there is a neat little setup that'll allow you to keep an eye on things. So here is the trick. I am currently in my Google Meet, just me right now, here with all my friends. But you imagine would have multiple students. So here's your Google Meet. That's the first window. And the second window is you're going to come up and you're going to hit File, New Window. And this is the window that you're going to put your content, whatever it is that you want to share with your students or colleagues. And so you've got two windows going. What I am going to do is I'm going to drag my Google Meet window to the right. And you can see I already clicked on chat, so I've got it over here. I kind of know where it is for a reference. And then I'm going to take my other window with my slides, and I'm just kind of going to arrange it so in a way that I can see my slides, and yet I can also see my chat. So two windows overlaid on top of each other. When you've got that set up, you head back to your Google Meet, and now it's time to share with your students. So you'll hit Present Now. Here's the most important part. We got two windows, but you are only sharing a Chrome tab. So I am going to select my slides, or if it's a video or Seesaw or Canvas or whatever you're trying to share, you just select that Chrome tab. And now Google's letting you know that this is being shared. So I can come to my slides, I can go full screen, I can hit Present. And so my participant sees a full screen slideshow presentation, yet I still have my chat over here. Hey everyone, post any questions in the chat. And so now I can keep an eye on my chat as I move along. That's about it. If you want to tweak it, you certainly can. Maybe you don't care as much about the chat as you do about seeing your students. Go ahead and drag that screen off to the side, and you can even shrink your slides over here. It's still going to look full screen to them, so now you can see even more students, and yet you can still advance your slides as you need to in a full screen setup. I hope you find that helpful. If you have any questions, reach out to your digital learning coaches or myself. Thanks. Have a good one.